Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be unboxing this month's Boxycharm box for the month of April. I'm actually really excited for this month's box because everyone is kind of getting something different. Like not everyone is getting the exact same box, which they've kind of been doing these last few months. I've noticed that not everyone gets the exact same things. They mix it up to where some people get a couple of different products. But this month they partnered up with ColourPop and you are getting one of like 4 different palettes, and then they also partnered up with, I believe, MAC, and you're getting one of like 3 lipsticks or 2 lipsticks. And yeah, they're just mixing it up is what I'm trying to get at. They're mixing it up, so what's in my box may not necessarily be in your box, and yeah, we'll see exactly how everything performs. As you can see, I'm all barefaced. I've already taken a little peek into the box. That way I know exactly what to put on, what to skip on, and yeah. Starting off with the theme, I don't really think there's a theme this month. You just get kind of a little pamphlet in lieu of, oh actually there is a theme. It's eye candy. That's the theme. So here's a list of all the products that are going to be in this month's box for me. As you can see, we've got a highlighter, we've got an eyeshadow palette, really super excited about that. We also have some skincare, we have a brow product, and then a lip product. So let's start off with the eyes. The palette that I got for this month is the You Had Me at Hello palette from ColourPop. Retails for $18 US. It is a highly pigmented shadow that applies evenly and feels ultra velvety and silky. This long-wearing formula contains a unique combination of softer powders which adheres easily to the eye, gives a soft focus effect, and blends smoothly and evenly. This eyeshadow palette retails for $18 US, and of course it is a full-size palette. It seems like a it's very neutral, more on the pinky side. This is going to be really pretty for like maybe like a spring look with like these 3 I'm looking at. Maybe I'm going to do something with like this, and these 2 as well. And then maybe pop this or this in the inner corner. And then you also get, you know, your really nice shimmery neutrals over here. But I'm definitely going to do something with these over here. So let's get started and see how these apply on the eye. The palette itself is really, really sturdy. I really like the packaging. Kind of reminds me of like the NARS packaging, how it has like that matte feeling. That's what this is. And also it includes a mirror, which all the eyeshadow names are listed on the back, which is definitely a plus. That way you know exactly which ones you are working with. Okay, so we're going to start off with this one, this pink one right here. This one is called Fool's Rush. I'm going to place that along the crease. The only thing that I have on my eyes right now is just a little bit of concealer and then some RCMA No Color powder. That way I have them nice and prepped for eyeshadow application. And I'm using my Sigma E40, which is a favorite, in order to apply eyeshadows onto the crease. And this one, I really love the color. Next, I'm going to take Sparks Fly, which is this nice like caramel looking brown. And I'm going to place that on top in order to mix those 2 together. I really like what that's doing, actually. Now I'm just taking a little bit of Moonstruck. Yeah, Moonstruck, in order to blend both of these out further. I was having issues with them up here a little bit. I took them up really high on the brow, but we're good. We're okay. Next, I'm going to grab FBO, and I'm going to apply it here onto the outer V. And just drag it into the crease a little bit. You know, the color payoff on these is actually really good. And then I'm going to be taking Look See, and I'm going to actually, it's a shimmery eyeshadow, so I'm just going to grab it with my finger, and I'm going to apply it onto the lid. This applied really well with my finger, but I think if I used a wet brush, I'd get it like really intense. Okay, now let me just put some lashes on really quickly, and then I will be right back in order to finish off the rest of the eyes. Okay, now that we got the lashes on, it is time to finish off the eyes. I'm going to grab my flat definer brush, and I'm going to take the shade FBO once again, which is the purple one. And then I'm going to apply it on this lower lash line, just about 3/4 of the way in. And then I'm going to take my pencil brush, which is the E30, and I'm going to grab the first shade that we started off with, which was Fool's Rush, and I'm going to blend that lower lash line out with that. Then I'm going to take a pencil brush once again. I'm going to grab 2 Ps, which is this like champagne-y color on the top, and I'm going to pop that onto the inner corners. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like it. I like it. I actually really like this palette. I enjoyed every single eyeshadow that I used. It was a good palette. Okay, so the next product that I'm going to grab is this one. This one's for the brows. Tired of seeing this no brow situation going on. And this one is from the BrowGal. And I actually have a brow gel of theirs. I think it was in, I don't know, maybe... I don't know which box, but one of my previous boxes had a brow gel from them that I actually really like. But then again, it's brow gel, and so, you know, brow gel's like, it's kind of all the same. So this is the BrowGal Tinted Eyebrow Gel. It retails for $22 US. It has microfibers to achieve a natural hair look, perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their brows. Which, I mean... I can definitely appreciate that. I can appreciate a nice quick fill, so that way I'm not always having to, you know, fill in and shape my brows and all that good stuff. So let's try this. It doesn't really tell you how to use it, but it is a brow gel, so how hard can it be? Okay, so this one is in the shade 02, I believe. And I'm just going to apply it the way that I would apply my brow gel. Okay, so it's definitely darkening the brow and making it appear a little thicker. If I had thicker brows, I think this would be perfect because it's definitely adding a tint, which is making it appear a little darker. But I don't have a lot of brow hairs to work with, so I think that's the issue here. And it's applying a little bit of tint around them, but it's just not enough for me to call it good, you know? So I'm just going to use my IT Cosmetics Brow Power Pencil in order to really fill them in and shape them up. Because this just isn't enough for me. Okay, that's much, much better. Alright, so next from the box is this Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. It retails for $29 US. It is a creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. It is an oil-free formula that you can mix with your liquid foundations, or you can wear it alone in order to give you that naturally lit, luminous glow. It is infused with rose water. It slips softly onto the skin and keeps moisture in with tapered, squeezable packaging to put the highlighter exactly where you want it. Okay, so I got the shade Sparkler. All right, so I'm just gonna place it here, here, and here, in spots where I normally would highlight. I don't usually use liquid highlighters. I like powders best, but let's see how this does. Gonna put a little tiny bit there. Okay, looks pretty good. I still do prefer powders though, just because I feel like it distributes a little bit more evenly than a liquid highlighter, although this looks gorgeous, so I'm content, I'm good. Okay, next from the box, I'm going to grab this liquid lipstick. This is from Adesse, I believe is how you pronounce this. It is a high definition liquid lipstick. It retails for $24 US. Luxurious, creamy, long-wearing liquid lipstick. It provides the dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of wand applicator. It is cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, and EU compliant. So this doesn't have a shade name, but it's a beautiful color, and we are going to apply it now. It comes with a doe foot applicator that's flat on both sides. So yeah, let's put this on the lips. For the lips, I don't typically like the flat on both sides applicator, just because it's really I kind of like flimsy. And so it's harder to get like precise application. But this is really pigmented. And it smells really nice. Like, I don't know what this reminds me of. Like, sweet chocolate? No. I don't know. Sweet. Like, some sort of sweet. Some sort of pastry. All right. I really like the shade. It's super shiny. Definitely creamy, but not, like, sticky. You know what I mean? I hate when lipsticks or like lip glosses or anything feels like too sticky on the lips. But this one feels really nice and comfortable, and it is super highly pigmented. It didn't take a whole lot of product in order to cover up my lips, and yum. All right, and last but not least, we get a skincare product. This one here is from Dr. Brandt. It is their Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. It retails for $47. This award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin's surface. I can't wait to try this. I cannot wait to try this and see whether or not it makes a difference. I'll fill you all in next month's video as to whether or not this made a difference, but I mean, $47? I'm assuming it will. Last month I told you that I would let you all know what I thought of those under eye mask gel things that came in the box, and honestly, I tried all three of them. I tried them, you know, I think it was like a Monday through Wednesday, and I didn't really see a difference. So that product to me, I mean, it wasn't bad, but it wasn't like, you know, mind-blowing out of this world. So yeah, that was the only product that I didn't show on camera that I told you all that I would fill you all in on, and yeah, I didn't really see a difference. So the grand total for this month's box is $140. $140, all for just $21. I definitely think that this month's box was absolutely worth it. Last month's box, not so much. Not so much at all. The Pure Cosmetics palette, as you all saw, or if you saw my last month's video, it was missing like the blue eyeshadow, the infamous blue eyeshadow that everybody kept wearing all over the place with that palette. I didn't have it. I had two of the same, and they skipped that one on me. And then the wand from the mascara that I thought was like, wow, it's a pretty cool concept. It's curved. It wasn't supposed to be curved. It was supposed to be straight. So I definitely think that I got kind of like the faulty box last month. But this month, this box is definitely worth it. Everything from the palette to the lipstick to the brow, even the brow gel. Although it definitely wasn't the best product that I tried from this month's box, it did help cut the time in half as far as filling in my brows, so I will be using that going forward. And yeah, everything was good this month. So that is it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly hope that you enjoyed this Boxycharm unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on future product reviews, makeup tutorials, beauty related videos, and more future Boxycharm unboxing videos. And also don't forget to follow me on all of my other social media platforms. I am All Beauty by Sarah with an H on Instagram, and All Beauty by Sarah without the H on Snapchat and Twitter. As always, take care, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.